it's way too hot. Jesus. Alright, it's time to go to my local skate shop and get another board for this month's giveaway. And yes, Zumiez is technically my local skate shop, so that's why I'm going here. It's the best I got, and I have a lot of friends that work here, so it makes it a lot easier just to go in, get my stuff, and then leave. That and I can film, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna go in there, pick out the new giveaway deck, potentially do a little bit more. Not entirely sure what's gonna happen yet, but we'll see. Don't tell me what to do. Alright, last time I was here, I asked which board should I give away. A lot of you said Baker or NFT. And I think we're gonna go with Baker because I left a poll, and again, I think majority of you chose Baker. Even though I've already done that before, I haven't done a red one. So we're gonna do a red one. Now there's an 8.5 and an 8.25. I feel like this is more generic. Everybody can skate it, so we're doing 8.25. Should I do a whole red and black theme?
Yeah.
Okay. $90. Why? They used to be 62.
Ceramics is 90.
What are they now?
Like 110.
They're 90. Okay. They dropped down?
They were like 110 for a while.
I remember them going up to 110. Okay, that's not bad for ceramics.
That's getting better.
It's slowly getting better. I still remember whenever these were, what were they? $14.95, I think.
They were 15, yeah.
Yeah. Now they're 20. I guess that's okay.
But then they're 8.5, weren't they, for a second?
Yeah, they are. Still, this is going to be built off of a Zumiez employee, so I guess you're going to pick the rest of this.
I quit, so I'm not an employee.
Ah, great. Join the party. I quit too. What are those? Garbage. Garbage. I'm kidding. I'll put it up. I'm sorry. So is that all you have?
Shark wheels?
Shark.
Shark.
Y'all have shark wheels?
Shark wheels.
I've never had them before. I feel like they totally suck, but I want to try them.
They feel weird. They feel weird.
I can't believe y'all got shark wheels.
I was like, obviously.
So I'm debating on doing a tech talk for video. So I've got to get like the one of everything for a video.
What of everything?
So like I'm gonna do wheels one day, skateboards another day.
Okay, that's a lot of stuff you can get.
That's weird.
They feel weird.
They're almost square looking, but they're not. I also saw the ATFs there, but those are way too big. Yeah, it's too much yellow on those.
I just realized I took out these ones.
I've done these before, actually. That's funny. Should I do Thunder trucks? If you're ever curious on if your trucks are going to work, put them exactly where they mount on the board, and then look on the edge of the deck itself. And it's a good way to see if they'll fit, which these do. So, I don't know if that's cringy or not, but we're going to go with it. I only have one of these. Sir! Okay. I'll do it myself, I guess.
Crotch shot right now.
I don't know if I feel
What's that important?
I think this is it, and I might do a custom grip job on this. I haven't decided yet. I'll let y'all let me know down in the comments below if I should. But we've got red and black hardware, the red's bearings, these black and red wheels, which I think will look really good on the trucks, which are also red and black, because again, we're doing this whole red and black theme, which the Baker is red and black. So hopefully it looks cool when it's all said and done. I'll have no clue, but you know, here's the next giveaway item. Didn't want to build it complete, but I kind of decided to anyway. I feel like it'd be cooler than just doing the deck itself. And now we have the second Dream Baker that's ever been on the channel, so that's kind of cool. Propsy.
That's racist.
Are you gonna throw my receipt at me this time?
Yeah.
I'll take that as a yes. Okay. Thank you. Again, for the second time in a row of crumpling my receipt. Okay, I'm out. Bye guys. Ow. 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 Well, it's official. We have the new Dream Baker complete for this month's giveaway, and I'm really excited for it. I like the whole red and black theme, but I have a few things that I want to talk about. First one being the grip. Should we customize that at all? Because I really don't know. I'm going to build this for the winner at the end of the month, but I need to know the exact process of how I'm going to do it. Should I do custom grip, or should I leave it black? Leave a comment down below. Next thing, the Baker board. A lot of people wanted me to customize this. What should I do if I customize it? Because I think it's a really good idea. I could do a wood burn, kind of like the One Piece, or like the Aaron Attack on Titan deck, which you can't really see because it's pretty dark. But I could do a custom wood burn in this, or I can do my normal just art stuff on this. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. Again, same thing for the grip. I really need to know what I should do, or if I should do just like a cut out shape. I don't know, okay? I need help. With all that being said, now it's time to get to the rules of this month's giveaway, and it's the exact same as every other giveaway that I do on my channel. First thing, make sure you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you can't win, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. The next thing, leave a comment down below because it's going to be picked from a random comment. And the third thing is not as important as the other two, but it really helps out the channel if you could leave a like on today's video, or leave a like on every video. It really helps. Turning notifications on help as well, because if you don't win this month's giveaway, I will have another one either next month or the month after that, depending on how much money I have to go towards these monthly giveaways. So again, make sure notifications are on, subscribe, like, and comment. Big two is just commenting and then subscribing. Yeah, I know that's a weird thing, but that's how I did it in order. So anyway, that's the rules. Do it right now. Other than that, that's gonna be it for today's video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay awesome. Later.